Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you, how to get a refund on Booking.com, right? So basically, we're gonna search for what are the Booking.com refund policy. It says right here, if you cancel a reservation within any permitted cancellation period which may apply, we will refund you the exact same amount we initially charged you, inclusive of any applicable fees in relation to the pay in your own currency service. So basically, it's basically Booking offers or will guarantee you that you will get your refund instantly after you've been charged with this amount of money, right? And you will get it in your own currency, added with the fees that may apply on this flight, right? Or maybe on this reservation. So basically, you're gonna be able to go ahead to your to go ahead to your profile, and you're gonna find the trips that you've been on or you planned or created. Basically, you can just go ahead and just cancel it from there, or you can just go ahead to the booking in your iPhone or Android. Just go ahead in your app Booking. You can just go ahead and cancel the reservation that you made by clicking the three dots next to the product itself, and basically you're gonna be able to delete that or cancel that reservation, and from there you're gonna get your own refund. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.